Hello everybody, today I have a journal to share with you. This is a floral journal. It's quite a lovely little size. It is a 6.5 inch by 4.25 inch petite style journal. I have used all laces and trims are from Lavish laces, apart from this ribbon on the spine there. I think that came from seriously scrapping many years ago, and it just fits perfectly there. But all other laces and trims are from Lavish laces, and I'll put a link to that store in the description box below. I've used lots of floral images in this journal. It's so pretty. I've also used the sample, what's it called? Worn and weathered paper pad, along with many floral pieces that just don't have names. So a little flower with the mother of pearl button on the front there, a lovely little frame, collage of papers, and a little bit of corded lace there, and my name on the back. Lots of machine stitching throughout. A chiffon tie. And there are approximately 44 inserts. That includes tags and other little bits as well. It has 2 signatures and 88 pages, so quite a lot of pages, lots of room to journal in. So we'll start at the front. We have a little pocket here with some tulle and vintage flowers across the top there. Inside we have a couple of bits. We have a tag there, and also just a little paper pad made from scraps of a paper bag that are quite soft and nice to write on. So that's what goes in there. The inside is also covered in the sample paper with some collage of papers. Little tag. They've all been backed. Beautiful velvet from Lavish laces, and this lovely little trim that I just hand stitched. It's got movement in it. You can move that around a little bit down the center there. Little flower. All the papers have been tea stained. Apart from these ones, these were naturally this colour. Another tag. It's got a paper ruffle and a little embroidered flower on it. Another one there. Some trim from Lavish laces. Lace across the top there. Another larger tag. Another one. Beautiful piece of vintage trim. Lovely, and across the pocket there as well. It's a bit snug because there's something inside of this. Is the paper bag. Just some stickers as well. This is a tag inside of the paper bag. Lovely flowers from Lavish laces there. And that just pops in there, and the flap goes over to decorate a little bit. But you can write on this really easily. Little tab with the mother of pearl button. Just a little insert there, little tuck spot, sorry, with some lovely trim at the top. And that's, I haven't backed that. I thought you could use that in collage or stick it to a page or something like that. So, or write on it. You can still write on it even though it's not backed. And sticker, lovely tag there with a vintage flower. And a little bit of fabric. Beautiful trim once again. I love these trims. Another tag. I didn't stitch around these ones because it had the scalloped effect, and I thought it might ruin the scallop effect on the actual paper. And some fabric at the top with some lace. A little bit of sari silk, and a lovely blue flower with a vintage embroidered flower in the center there. It's predominantly pink, but you know, it has a lot of other colours in it as well. Another sticker. I make the little flowers for the ends there. I don't do that very often, but I thought it was quite suitable for this journal. That's the centre of the first signature. Lovely tag here. And that little tuck spot. I have put in some little pieces of paper there and some doily there. A couple of doilies there, paper doilies. Lovely pink trim from Lavish Laces. More stickers. Another tag. I didn't do anything to that paper because I really like it, and it's a nice contrast to all the flowers, but it has flowers on it. Another tag in this paper bag here with some vintage flower trim across the top. And another lovely tag, and lace from Lavish Laces, along with this one here. Lovely flowers, vintage. Another little tag with a tulle bow on it. And I keep thinking that's a tuck spot, but it's not. It's just beautiful ribbon, and that's from Lavish Laces as well. And that's the end of the first signature. Now on to the second signature here. Lovely little tag. A bit of seam binding and lace. And this is a little belly band, and that's just a lovely piece of paper to either decorate the journal with or write on. It's just so pretty, and it went well with this journal, so I popped that in there. Another tag with some paper ruffle across the top. And tulle bow. Another one. So pretty. I love floral journals. They make me feel so happy to look at. They're lovely. I love the neutral journals, but it's nice, you know, just to do a floral journal. It really is. Another large tag in that paper bag. A fun tag at the back there. I just wrapped the paper around the back. This beautiful ribbon from Lavish Laces, along with this lovely little bit of lace trim as well. Stickers, more trim. We have a couple of laces here that I've just doubled up and stitched on. A little tag, more beautiful lace. Another lovely lace tag on an index card. In the centre of this second signature with more flowers, and then I've popped, what's that? A little bit of fluff stuck to that flower. I have put a little frame on there, and I've popped a little image in there on an index card. You can write on that or just leave it as is, or put your own picture in there as well. Flower from Lavish Laces. Another tag here. And some more of those papers there, and a seed packet. And I think, yes, I put a couple of flower stickers, roses, into that seed packet as well. Have a couple of, they are just papers, they're not backed, because it's always nice to have a little bit of something if you want to decorate a couple of the pages yourself. It's in keeping with the journal. So I've popped those in to play with as well. And a lovely large tag there with some lace from Lavish Laces. Another large tag with some paper ruffle. That's the paper ruffle's made from a paper bag, the same paper bags as I'm using in here with the sari silk. I just cut the paper bag, there's one there, I cut it into strips and just ruffled it under the sewing machine. Scrunched it actually, it's not meant to be neat looking or anything like that. Another tag in that paper bag. Lovely embroidered flower. Little tag there with some beautiful trim across the top and a flower, both from Lavish Laces. And another little tag in the back there. And on the back cover we have another one of these large tags and a pretty little narrow one as well, slipped behind. And the back cover is collaged as well. So that is this lovely floral journal. I hope you like it. I had fun making it. It makes me smile. Oh, and some more of these lovely flowers. I put the front ones have the blue, the back ones have the pink. They actually, I have one. They're vintage, and this is how they come. They come with a pink and a blue flower on them. In fact, I might pop that in. I might just pop that under there. It can be a little surprise. And I just take them and use the flowers off them, and they're ever so pretty. So pretty, little satin flowers. So that is the journal. I hope you've enjoyed seeing that. This will be available in my Etsy store if anybody is interested. What have I done? Oh, I think I finished my needle book that I showed at some stage. Let's have a look. This one, this little needle book, that's the back. I did stitch the crocheted pink flower. I also added this little pink one here, and I've stitched it all down. I put a Suffolk puff there with a mother of pearl button, a little bit of, it's silk, from silk embroidery, that kind, and that's the closure, will go like that. And inside, I still want to put a pocket there and a pocket on the back. I've used the wool, I've blanket stitched all around the wool, and in between the woolen pages I've put this lovely striped cotton fabric, which I really like, and it goes with so many things. It goes beautifully with florals. It's really, really nice. So almost finished it. I must put some pockets in that. So I have been stitching as well. I've been quite busy this week, so I'm glad I got my journal finished, and as I said, that will be in my Etsy store if anybody is interested. And what am I doing next? Working on, I know what I'm doing next. I've got to do some more on my, I don't even know where I put it. It's here somewhere. My Roxy's Journal of Stitchery. It's here. I put it in a bag so I could keep it all together. Okay, there we go. I hope you enjoyed seeing that as much as I enjoyed working on it, and I hope everybody's keeping well. Take care now. Bye.